I just want to do a little walk around of the car. Say 2014 Dodge Charger SRT 8. I've had the car for about 7 months now, and I love it. The car is bone stock. Only thing that I have done to it is it has a catch can on it, and it has a mid muffler delete. I did a cold start just a while ago, so that'll be in this video also. Sounds really good. It's not too loud. Cruising down the highway, it's loud when you first crank it up. Once it idles down, it's fine. So it has really good road noise, exhaust wise. Best driving car I've ever driven. The car is so big, you don't feel bumps. Really smooth ride. You have a lot of room. Has the Brembo brakes all the way around. It's got every option available that was available for 2014. And I contacted SRT after I bought it, and it's actually a one of two car. It has the interior is the full leather Laguna sepia. The car was a special order whenever it was built, so the interior was upgraded. Instead of normally they have the suede interior in the middle with a leather outline, but this one's full leather. It's got Alcantara door panels. Like I said, every option that was available, this car has. A lot of people don't like this color interior. I absolutely love it. This was the deciding factor for me buying this car. Got the flat bottom steering wheel, the SRT logo in it. Rain sensing wipers, so they automatically come on. The headlights dim and brighten automatically. It's got adaptive cruise control. It's got the crash warning. Everything. Heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled cup holders, as you can see right here. 8.4 inch screen, sunroof, pop the hood. I actually took it to the drag strip yesterday. Still trying to learn how to launch the car because it's still on the street tires. I have not put a drag radial or anything on it. So I'm still trying to learn how to launch it from a dig, even at the track, without just blowing the tires off. I had a personal best yesterday. It went in 8:23 in the 8th mile at 86 or 87 miles an hour. It ran a 8:33 also at 89 miles an hour, so it's trapping good speed in the 8th. Here's the catch can. sun's bright. There's the catch can. It's from Billet Technology. To me, one of the best catch cans there is, and it works really good. I checked it the other day. See, I had the oil changed close to 3,000 miles ago, and I checked it the other day, and it was about a quarter. It wasn't halfway full, but it was about a quarter full. So it's doing its job. Oil still looks very clean. I don't really drive this car much. Normally I drive it on just the weekends. I drive this, my daily. But car is very fast for stock. It'll easily go into the sevens with a tire. I don't know if I could get it to go into the sevens on street tires. If I launched it enough and practiced enough and got it down, it might be close. My 60 foot yesterday was still a 2.0, so I mean it was still spinning. I left traction control on launching it, but it was still spinning through the 60 foot. But it picks up speed really good. I mean, in 8.23, that's pretty quick for a heavy car. I mean, it weighed. I weighed it yesterday. With me in it, it weighed 45.16. I'm 150 pounds, so it was 4,366 pounds without me in it. That's a heavy car. But I love this car. I mean, to me, it's the best driving car I've ever had. You can see the stock tires. I mean, they're still new, but they don't grip. Still got a little bit of rubber right here on the. I didn't do any big burnouts yesterday. I mean, obviously I'm on street tires. I did roll them over a little bit, get the rocks and dirt off of them. But it done really good. I was satisfied. With enough practice on the drag strip, I think it would go quicker, definitely. But yeah, so if there's anything else y'all want to see on it, I'll try to do some driving with it with the camera in. But any mods, I don't really want to do any mods because of how low of a number this car is. I'm going to change the factory air intake. I'm going to put a factory Hellcat intake on it, the lower part, with the Hellcat filter. They flow way more air, and they'll work with this. And these, if you open this up, take the filter out, these just have an opening at the bottom of the lower air box. It goes down to the bottom of the car. But the Hellcat intakes, they do that also, but they also have an inlet that comes out this lower box and comes out to right behind this emblem right here. So it pulls in air from the grill also. So it's got a lot more air. These air filters stock flow like 700 CFM. The Hellcats flow almost 1100 CFM. So it's a lot more airflow for the Hellcat, and it's pretty cheap to do it also. Other than that, I like these wheels. They're just they're heavy, and they're only 9-inch wide. I do want to maybe swap them someday. I'd like to do a 10-inch wheel in the back with a wider tire. But as far as that, I want to keep the car mostly stock and see how fast I can get it, pretty much stock. So anyways, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I will try to make some more. Just let me know what y'all want to see. Thanks.